bunch of them.
Okay.
That's the official measurement. A bunch.
Okay.
Yeah. That grinder would be like, oh look, it's not touching, it's 3 inches.
Hey look, I can see concrete. Dustin.
What the hell?
I thought I was ready.
Making sure you were awake, Karen.
Have you turned it off? That don't matter.
What?
Turn it off.
Oh, I don't care which way. I don't care which way. Okay. Okay, right there.
It's kind of boring in here, but I know it's an important job because we have to get the windows. Oh dear Lord. It'll fit, right?
Right, make it fit.
Make it fit.
We're pretty damn close.
Probably go. Pretty straight? Okay. Okay. It'll line itself up with the blocks anyway, so we're good. Say hi, Paul.
Hey.
Oh, nice little evening shot here. Okay, how's my hat?
Yeah, you
Gotta
should
see
go
my
up
hat. No,
That's a picture.
no. All right, here we go.
Right? Thank you.
It's nice up here.
Yeah, you pose for camera.
I am King Arthur.
Wow.
Posing up there. On the
Okay. On the catwalk, he shakes his little tush on the catwalk.
Oh, you missed it. He did the dance for you, didn't he?
Man. Okay, so we have got the window bracing, the 2x6s that kind of define the size and shape of the windows in. And then we have our bucking screwed onto that. And so now we just need to, if I can get over here and show, we just got to slip little slivers of block down inside of there, just like we did down here. Just like we did here. So that's what we gotta recreate. So the concrete only goes just past, well, halfway up that last block. Yeah. So that's where we're at. That's what we'll be doing tomorrow. And then I'll take you around and show you the catwalk. So we had to elevate the catwalks because we were that much higher. Almost around the entire thing. So that took a bit. Oh. Right into the sun. Sorry about that. Here we go. We'll shoot this way. Okay, so the other things that we're gonna do before we pour next, just so we can see it and talk about it. So here's these are rebar that's set into that wall when we poured that wall. And this will come into the garage wall. So the garage wall come out here. This is below grade that we're looking at here, up to about, probably that third. Nope, grade's gonna be more closer to that fourth protector right there. Can't see in the screen, but somewhere around in there. Okay, so that'll be grade, and then there'll be a walk-through door going that way. So all of that styrofoam needs to come out of there. So we're gonna cut it and then just chisel out, grind out, whatever it takes to get that styrofoam out of there, so that when we pour, we'll stack right next to the styrofoam with these blocks. But when the concrete flows, I want it to flow all the way back to where it touches the other concrete, so that it's nice and strong. And that, oh man, that rebar, the shear of the rebar from one side to the other doesn't have 2 inches of styrofoam where it can flex. So if the drywalls or rebar is running this way, if the wall tried to go like that, shear sideways, then it would have to shear off that rebar. Well, if it had 2 inches of styrofoam, it could actually bend the rebar instead, and it wouldn't be as solid. So we grind off all of the styrofoam, get concrete touching concrete, and should be good to go. Okay, we can actually see what our windows will look like now. So this is what the windows are going to look like, all 6 of them. And you can see all the way up there, that is the actual base or the planking of the catwalk. So that's let's see, 6, 7, 8 plus 5, 8 plus 5, 13. So we're probably at 12 feet with the actual catwalk right there and across here. Oh, Dan's already stacking blocks. Look at him go. Here's this. Radar! Oh yeah, that's straight. That'll work. Oh! This is my Mountain Dew saw. I don't know if I've told you guys that. See, Mountain Dew. You see this? It's missing teeth. All right, I'm gonna set you guys right there for a second and see how this goes. Where'd we put our HV clips? Back a Duke?
Probably in Duke.
Another thing to do is just hand them to Dan and he puts them everywhere they need to go. Leo's out here on the front porch, that'll be cute. What? Leo's just sitting on the front, like right there. So cute. Probably should take a picture. Hey Leo.
Okay. Whoa. Sunglasses. There we go. Is that better? Much better. There we go. Okay, so it makes it look like it's a lot lighter than it is. It is getting toward dusk. We were getting our laser level line set up until we ran out of battery. But we're trying to get, so this is the low wall. We're going to put a reference line on the low wall and then all the way around. And then we can go rise over run this way, rise is this way, there we go. So run and then rise for our slope, and we'll probably do it a couple of places through there and put some strings, some screws in there, and then we'll run a string line down, and then it will rest on the strings as it tries to sag, because if we ran it from one end to the other, that string line is going to sag just a little bit, even if you get it really tight. So by doing a couple of screws on there, every little sag just gets reduced, and it'll make it to where you won't even be able to tell it. At least that's the goal. Okay, there's the windows again. Windows to the window. Oh dear Lord. The camp clicker. Okie dokie. Looking good. I like it. Thanks, guys.